How to add an application form to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a application form. Either it is going to be from Google Forms or it is going to be from JotForm. Those two are going to be the best form creators or application form generators that you're going to design your specific form from, and it is going to be very easy to implement. So what we're going to do first is to head over to Squarespace, visit our account dashboard, and then we're going to select the website. Click on go to website, and then we're going basically to have the form inserted. But before that, we're going to select the page that we want to have the form in. For example, our home page. I'm going to click on edit, and we're going to have all the specific forms that we can implement. Basically, if you're going to be much simpler and having a normal form that is going to be integrated within Squarespace, you can go ahead and add a new section and add a blog or a specific block which is going to contain a form. And this is going to be a standard form. And if you want to make this form a little bit customized, you can go ahead and click on design, select the form, as you can see, styles and etc. Also for the buttons, lightbox, and etc. And the background could be also changed to whatever you want. So maybe I'm going to have it just like that. That is in case that you want to not use an external form. If you're going to use an external one, click on add block. Instead of the form, you're going to click on code. Now we're going to have the code form. I'm going to extend it a little bit. Double tap, and we're going to let it as it is. So either you're going to use Google Forms or JotForm, you're going to create one. So I'm going to use JotForm because it is going to be more specific. Click on create and choose a form. I'm going to use from these only template. And we are going basically here to have everything set up. So we have the type of the form, we have registration form and application forms. We're going to see the application form. Choose one of these. As you can see, all of them are going to be professional made forms like CV submission, job application, college admission, employment offer or application, etc. So we are going to have one of them and we are going to insert it. So I'm going to choose one of these. For example, this one. I'm going to choose the most simplest one for here. Maybe this one. Click on this. Use the template, wait for it, and it is going to open up the editor. Now, as you can see, we can build it up, add our logo, add some elements, modify some elements, remove them, see the properties of them, like the labels, the alignment, and if it is going to be a required field or not, and also the sub-labels. For the elements, you can add whatever element that you want, from the basics to the payments to the widgets. Go ahead and add whatever you want from here. As you can see, we have a large variety of elements. When you finish, you're going to head over to settings for setting up the email where it is going to be stored or where it is going to be saved. And when you finish, you can go ahead and head over to publish. Do not forget to set up the thank you page and also the conditions if you are going to have some maybe conditions, and also set up some workflows if needed. Click on publish when you finish everything. And then you're not going to have the link, but we are going to click on embed. Copy the embed or the iframe or JavaScript one. We're going to paste it in here and you're going to see your form added. So basically, we're going to preview it in safe mode. We're going to see it and it is going to be applied just like that. It is going to take the right form for it if you're going to publish the website and also have everything set up for it. And here you go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.